Look up at the night sky. Above you stretches a vast, endless expanse, dotted with countless stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be discovered. For millennia, humans have gazed upward, captivated by the beauty and wonder of the cosmos, searching for meaning in the twinkling lights above. On a clear night, you might be lucky enough to see a shooting star. These brief flashes of light, darting across the sky, have inspired wishes, legends, and awe throughout human history. They appear suddenly, vanishing in the blink of an eye, leaving us to wonder about their origins. It's a streak of light, a fleeting moment of brilliance against the dark canvas of space. The meteor's trail glows brightly as it burns up in our atmosphere, creating a spectacle that has fascinated sky watchers for generations. Each one is a reminder of the dynamic universe we live in. These aren't actually stars, of course, but visitors from the vastness of our solar system, meteors. They are fragments of rock or metal, sometimes as small as a grain of sand, sometimes much larger, that have traveled millions of miles before reaching our planet. They serve as a reminder of the dynamic and often chaotic nature of the cosmos we inhabit, where objects large and small hurtle through the void, occasionally intersecting with our own planet's path. Some meteors are remnants of ancient comets or asteroids, carrying with them secrets from the earliest days of our solar system. These celestial wanderers spark our curiosity, igniting questions about their origins, their composition, and the potential threat they might pose to our world. Scientists study meteorites that survive the journey to Earth, hoping to unlock clues about the formation of planets and the ingredients that may have seeded life itself. What exactly are these fiery visitors, and how often do they grace our skies? During annual meteor showers, dozens or even hundreds of meteors can be seen each hour, creating a dazzling display that connects us to the greater universe. These events remind us that Earth is not isolated, but part of a much larger cosmic dance. More importantly, what would happen if every single one of them actually reached our planet's surface? The consequences could be dramatic, ranging from harmless pebbles landing in remote areas to catastrophic impacts that have shaped the course of life on Earth. As we continue to watch the skies, we are reminded of both the beauty and the power of these cosmic visitors and the ongoing story of our place in the universe. Meteors, in their simplest form, are pieces of space debris, ancient travelers from the far reaches of our solar system. These fragments are the leftovers of cosmic events that took place billions of years ago, long before Earth was fully formed. Each meteorite tells a story, holding secrets about the origins of our solar system and the processes that shaped the planets. Imagine chunks of rock and metal, remnants from the early solar system, or fragments of asteroids and comets, traveling at incredible speeds. These meteoroids drift silently through the vast emptiness of space, sometimes for millions of years, until their paths are altered by the gravitational pull of a planet or another celestial body. Some are as small as a grain of sand, while others are large enough to cause significant changes to a planet's surface. They range in size from tiny grains of dust to massive boulders, each carrying the potential for a celestial impact. The smallest ones may go unnoticed, burning up high in the atmosphere, while the largest can create craters and even alter the course of life on Earth. Scientists study these space rocks to learn more about the building blocks of our planet and the dynamic history of our solar system. As these space rocks venture close to Earth, they encounter our planet's gravitational pull, drawing them in on a collision course with our atmosphere. This invisible force acts like a cosmic net, capturing meteoroids that stray too close. Some of these objects have traveled for eons only to meet their fate in the skies above our world. This encounter marks a pivotal moment in the life of a meteor. As it plunges into the atmosphere at tremendous speeds, sometimes faster than 40,000 kilometers per hour, the friction with air molecules causes it to heat up rapidly. The result is a brilliant streak of light, often called a shooting star, as the meteor begins to burn up. The fate of the meteor and the potential impact on Earth hinges on this high-speed encounter with our planet's protective layers. Most meteors disintegrate completely, their energy released in a brief, dazzling flash. But some are large enough to survive the fiery descent, reaching the ground as meteorites, and sometimes leaving behind scars in the form of craters. What will be the outcome of this clash between space rock and atmosphere? Will it be a fiery demise high above the surface, or a devastating impact that leaves a lasting mark on our planet? Each encounter is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system and the ongoing dance between Earth and the cosmic debris that surrounds us. Our planet is constantly bombarded by these cosmic projectiles. Every single day, Earth is showered by tons of space debris, ranging from microscopic dust particles to larger pebbles and rocks. It's a cosmic drizzle, a constant influx of material from the cosmos. Thankfully, the vast majority of these meteors never make it to the ground. They burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, creating those fleeting streaks of light we call shooting stars. Our atmosphere acts as a shield, protecting us from this constant barrage of cosmic debris. But what if this shield were to fail? What if every single meteor, regardless of its size, were to penetrate our defenses and collide with the surface? Imagine a world where the night sky is not a source of wonder, but a spectacle of impending doom. Instead of the occasional shooting star, the heavens are ablaze with fiery streaks as countless meteors breach our atmosphere, each one a potential harbinger of destruction. The Earth would be transformed into a cosmic shooting gallery, under constant bombardment from above. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic. From small pebbles peppering our planet like cosmic hailstones to city-sized boulders capable of causing widespread devastation, the impact on our world would be immediate and unrelenting. No corner of the Earth would be spared from this celestial onslaught. If every meteor hit Earth, our planet would become almost unrecognizable. Cities would be reduced to rubble, forests incinerated by fiery impacts, and oceans, well, they'd be churned into boiling cauldrons. The delicate balance of our ecosystems would be shattered, with catastrophic consequences for life as we know it. The constant bombardment would trigger widespread wildfires, earthquakes, and tsunamis, reshaping continents and altering the very geography of our planet. The air would become choked with dust and debris, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into a kind of perpetual twilight. The once vibrant tapestry of life on Earth would be torn asunder, leaving behind a scarred and desolate wasteland. This scenario, while hypothetical, is not entirely without precedent. Our planet bears the scars of past impacts, some of which have had profound consequences for life on Earth. The most famous example, of course, is the Chicxulub impactor, a massive asteroid that collided with Earth approximately 66 million years ago. This catastrophic event, believed to have wiped out the dinosaurs and paved the way for the rise of mammals, serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of cosmic impacts. The Chicxulub impact is a chilling testament to the vulnerability of life on Earth in the face of these celestial threats. Thankfully, such catastrophic impacts are exceedingly rare. Our planet is equipped with a remarkable defense mechanism, the atmosphere. This blanket of gases surrounding our planet acts as a shield, protecting us from the constant bombardment of space debris. As meteors enter the Earth's atmosphere, they encounter friction, causing them to heat up rapidly. This intense heat vaporizes most meteors, turning them into streaks of light that illuminate the night sky. In essence, our atmosphere acts as a cosmic incinerator, disintegrating most of the space debris that comes our way. Now, take a moment to appreciate the reality we live in. Unlike the apocalyptic scenario we've just explored, where every meteor spells disaster, our atmosphere acts as a silent guardian, ensuring the continuation of life as we know it. The vast majority of meteors that enter our atmosphere never make it to the ground. They burn up harmlessly, creating beautiful displays of light that have captivated humans for millennia. The next time you witness a shooting star, remember that you are witnessing our atmosphere in action, protecting us from a potentially deadly impact. It is a sobering thought, a reminder of the delicate balance that allows life to flourish on our planet. The Earth's atmosphere is far more than just the air we breathe. It is a complex dynamic system that has evolved over billions of years, shaping the very conditions that make life possible on our planet. This thin veil of gases, stretching just a few hundred kilometers above the surface, is all that stands between us and the vast, inhospitable expanse of space. It is a shield, a protector, a silent guardian against the constant bombardment from space. Every day our planet is bombarded by countless meteoroids, most no larger than a grain of sand, but some much larger. Without our atmosphere, these objects would strike the surface with devastating force, threatening all forms of life. Instead, friction with atmospheric gases causes most meteors to burn up spectacularly before they ever reach the ground, creating the beautiful phenomenon we know as shooting stars. While we marvel at the beauty of shooting stars, we should also acknowledge the vital role our atmosphere plays in keeping us safe. Each streak of light is a reminder of the invisible barrier that stands guard over our world, tirelessly working to protect us from harm. The atmosphere not only shields us from meteors, but also from harmful solar radiation and the vacuum of space, maintaining the delicate balance necessary for life to thrive. It is a delicate balance, this interplay between our planet and the cosmos. The atmosphere is constantly in motion, circulating air, distributing heat, and supporting the water cycle that sustains all living things. It is both fragile and resilient, shaped by natural forces and increasingly by human activity. Our continued existence depends on this balance and on our ability to understand and protect it. The hypothetical scenario of every meteor hitting Earth serves as a stark reminder of our planet's fragility and the importance of protecting our atmosphere. Imagine a world where every space rock, no matter how small, reached the ground. Life as we know it would be impossible. Our atmosphere is not just a passive layer. It is an active, living shield that has allowed life to flourish for eons. The next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the thin blue line that separates us from the harsh realities of space. That fragile boundary is all that stands between us and the cold, airless void beyond. It is a reminder of how interconnected we are with our planet and how much we depend on its natural systems for our survival. It is the breath of life, our planetary shield, and a testament to the preciousness of our existence. Every breath we take, every moment we spend under the open sky, is a gift made possible by this remarkable envelope of air. Let us cherish and protect it, for it is the only one we have.